Yo, what's going on, man? It's your boy, Mr. Red Paint. About to go to the beach today. Today is beach day. I think we're gonna check out Buck Road. Heard they hooked that up. Got a lot of bars and stuff. I'm gonna go pick up my man Stino, Austin, you know what I mean? Then we gonna link up with some of my homegirls. Yeah, we gonna have a good time, man. Got all my stuff together. It's time to get out of here. Get my cap, yo. You know? Yeah, have fun today. Check it out. This is one of the first really nice days out here in Richmond. It's about 80 degrees. Oh yeah. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Yeah, it's about 80. So you know how to bring the drop top up. BM, you know what I'm saying? Haha. Check out. Catch up with y'all at Austin's crib. Yeah. Just realized I'm only gonna have to take gas. So I gotta go ahead and fill up before we get out there. You know what I'm saying? Rain, son. 3:39. Trying to rob us, man. We gotta trying to go out here and find some. What's up, baby? Throughout the day, man, because it's very, very warm. Like I said, it's the first day that was really nice out here. Might as well enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? I gotta wear a bucket because I got a bald head. The joint will burn in the sun. You know what I mean? So, yeah. And then we're gonna, I don't know, might walk the beach. I don't know. I mean, I don't got no sandals or whatever, but and I ain't getting no water today. So, it ain't bad, yo. Yeah. So now we I'm gonna get it moving, yo. It's real hot out here. We'll give me like a Gatorade or something. Ready? Get this road trip ready. No. Put it here. Put in the Wawa, son. Let's see what we got here. Get up out of here now. Get up out of here, up out of here. We here, we out here. Good to go. Take this bullshit off. Oh, look at my baby over there. Looking all good. Yeesh. Definitely ready for the beach now. I need to see what the fuck they going though. I think they on the Buck Road.
Oh, this your shit?
Yeah. You ever been to Buck Road before?
Yeah, I went with them one time.
Alright, so we gonna do that shit, nigga. We out.
2 hours later.
Yo, I never know what the fuck that silver shit is at the crib. We in the country, yo. Shit, New Kent, nigga. Yeah, fucking New Kent. And we trying to dodge the traffic. Now we got mad traffic. been a trip, man. You know what I'm saying? The beach is about like an hour away.
Yeah, this shit on the way.
We be in this car for like.
I'm ready to go see if they trying to let me jump in their pool.
That's what I'm saying. We're gonna get in they shit. They pool over there. Boy, we been here in the car for like 2 hours, nigga. Like 2 hours. Of fucking. And we're only in New Kent, which is like 10 minutes from the city. It's like 15 minutes away. This is crazy. Oh, we can get on that bitch now.
Nah, we got 6 miles.
6 miles of this nigga? Yo.
Nah, not this shit. It's gonna open up.
I know, no. I'm just saying 6 miles on this road though.
Yeah.
This is crazy, bro.
Yeah, because we missed the turn, bro.
Damn.
Turn around.
Hell yeah. Cause how long this shit gonna take to get up there?
Nah, around the same time. So.
Alright.
We was losing time. We was going at like 6:59, 6:58.
Oh, yeah, that ain't shit.
We gained some time.
Yeah. But I mean, before it was going to be 7:30, so we're trying to beat this clock, yo. Right now it's 6:11. But yeah, niggas out here trying to get lit, bro. We want to hit the spot, yo. You know? Shit. Unless it's right there. Ain't it?
You should cut through that bitch.
That's what I'm saying. Jump that damn rail, bro. But yeah.
No, it's an opening too. Nah, that's going the opposite way though.
Is it?
We'll have to get down.
But that, you know how long that, you know what I'm saying? How long you gotta wait for an exit to get back around? That's trash. Trash, yo. Yeah, after this light, I think we gonna open this bitch up, bro. You know what I'm saying? We've been getting it with this fusion, yo. This nigga, he definitely from here. He was going. Let me put my shit in sport mode, yo. Boom. Bam. Google knows where to go, bro. I wonder how they know that shit. They tracking us, nigga.
Yeah. Everything is a tracking device.
Hell yeah, nigga. This whip is a tracking device. It got GPS in this bitch, too. So, never get away, bro. Can't get off the grid, bro.
Nah, you wanted to kill a nigga? Hey, should have lived in the 80s.
For real.
Kill a nigga, get away with that shit.
I wonder now. Yeah.
70s, 80s, early 90s.
I couldn't help but notice your pain. My pain, it runs deep. Share it with me.
ass nigga.
Oh, shit, new web, huh?
It be a holiday.
I'm not a star.
Look at the wheels. Yo, Briana thinks she's sweet, yo. Briana thinks she's sweet, yo. What's good, yo? And they eat, what the fuck is that?
Some nasty ass fries.
How long y'all been out here?
We just got out here.
I mean, like, got down this area.
What time we got down here? 6 something. 6 something, I don't know.
Yeah, we had mad traffic, yo.
We did too. That car was crushed up.
Hey, no.
She on camera? Are we on camera?
Of course y'all on camera, yo. So don't say
It's
no hood
recording
shit.
now?
It is recording. Always, yo.
Let's go to
What I
Mango's to
say?
get fries.
Yeah, these
That
shits
shit
is
trash.
fucking.
Hard as well.
Like, what the fuck? Ain't no tail on these
He said they
bitches.
chips. They
You
nasty.
got a burger though. That's what I said.
Out of control, yo. That's just crazy.
At this point, they drinks
Yo,
good.
when you get this lip, yo.
Yesterday.
I like, yo, the colors my shit.
Yeah, the destroyed gray. Yeah, I
That's
do.
crazy.
I love it.
That's crazy. Hey, look, yo, I can get my man to hook this shit up.
I need the tent.
Oh, yeah, hell yeah, I got to tell you. You see the picture of that shit.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, I see, like, the bubbles in the back, yo. I don't like it's about to bubble up.
Bubbles.
Like the back. Kind of like that grid shit going on. Yeah, a little more heat. That shit's gonna actually start bubbling a little bit.
So what should I do?
Get new tent. That's what you
Oh,
gonna do. You straight. He'll take this off, and then he'll give you that dope shit. I'm blacking my shit out. You know what I'm saying?
Sean, that info is not right.
Yo, it gotta be. Yo, I'm gonna
Still
Google it.
I did. That's why I don't think
Are you
it's right.
serious? What they say? They said 30?
That shit's not
Or
on there.
50?
It says 50, 35.
Well, that's bullshit.
But I'm gonna get 20 on all four.
Nigga, yo, I'm getting zero on my brains, yo. Fuck it. The back's is dark as fuck, yo.
You
I
know
can't
they
see
gonna
out the back.
stop.
I hope they do. I'm not a dope boy. I just got dope on me.
I'm weak as fuck.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. This shit right here. It's crazy. Hard body. Hard body. I don't know. I ain't get that in there. I ain't get that there. What happened? Huh? What we doing out here? Chilling, yo. We got a bottle. We got weed.
What y'all got?
Nigga,
Like
you got
a bottle.
that's tequila. Oh, nigga, that's him though. Austin, yo. Oh, bitch. Hold on. Fucking, yeah, I put my shit. I hit the lock shit. But
Keep that bag in the back. That's your food?
Yeah.
You don't want it? Not right now.
I was looking for that car, yo. And you was like, we turning right. I was looking for that.
No, not that.
yo, this is crazy. We bring this a whoa.
Yeah, bring that shit. Give me
It's just kinda, it's a vlog, yo. Okay, you record life, bro. That's it. So make life happen and go.
Hey guys, welcome to Fort Monroe.
There she go. Yeah. It's so serene. It's so nice. Yo, y'all are such mothers, bro.
Listen, I don't even like kids. I only like mine.
There you go. Fuck them kids.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I get it.
No.
No.
You know how you could just have kids but not like kids? Yeah. That's what I do.
Yeah, y'all don't like kids that aren't yours. I know y'all don't. Oh, that baby's so precious. Look at
Hey,
him.
that's
Bless his
it.
heart.
That's it. That's all.
Can you babysit for me though?
No.
It's real nice today.
But this ain't Buckrow, bro. It was people at Buckrow.
Oh yeah, that's right.
It was people at Buckrow?
Hell yeah, that shit was live.
Then we should probably go there. We should probably go
We were just there.
Exactly.
So you can go back.
I didn't even know about this spot.
This
Me
is for
neither.
POC.
But how did you end up there and I said Fort Monroe?
I don't know, cause he was the fucking
This
co-pilot.
what's it called?
But you said we're almost to Fort Monroe.
That's what I thought we was going. Yo.
Oh, he had the GPS telling you where to go.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. We in New Kent like a motherfucker taking side. Missing turns and shit. Yo, it's crazy. You know? Oh, look at that. Precious children. You know, let me get a kid, man, real quick.
It's so easy to do.
Definitely, right?
I ain't been
She claims
looking.
that there's
We
dolphins.
seen dolphins. You
Dolphins
didn't
in
see
there?
it. You didn't see it. That don't mean it didn't happen. Me
She's
and Lorinda
lying,
seen that shit.
and they were
You didn't
smoking.
see it. Bruh, no. We seen the fucking dolphins.
Oh, really?
Y'all were
That far out.
smoking as well.
I seen the dolphins.
Where?
Even when my mom was here, she was not smoking.
She didn't see the dog.
Yes,
So
she
you seen
did.
dolphins twice.
Yes, twice.
But
Oh,
she was
shit.
high
You ain't
twice.
seen it once, bro.
No, exactly. Because
Yeah.
she be delayed looking.
That's what I'm saying.
Where? They're swimming. They're not going to be in the same spot.
You know what I'm saying? Don't trash where you splash, bruh. Don't splash. Don't trash.
Looking for this video.
Oh, yeah, it's coming out.
Don't get no sand in my fucking car either.
Oh, it's going to be all in your shit. I'll take the kicks off.
Fuck yeah.
Damn, we keep the kicks on, bruh.
Sean, don't act too light skinned.
I gotta act like skin, cause look, man, I ain't trying to have the kicks get all.
I ain't never been to the beach,
I
man.
have, my nigga, but still, I don't want to get inside the shit, though. I think I'm straight.
I think I'm straight.
I think I'm alright, you know what I mean? As long as I don't get too close to that fucking show, I'm straight. You know, I'm just happy to do something today, cause I'm so bored. That shit was whack.
Somebody's supposed to be at work, but I don't know.
Hey, this nigga don't. What the fuck is that? What's that? What does that say?
GL or GU?
What's that? Heli?
Jesus.
Belly. Jesus. Bro, what would Jesus do, you sinners? Want to smoke a devil's grass?
Kionna always comes prepared.
I mean, she is such the mom mode.
Mommy and her.
I love that shit.
She's prepared with the
You got over there.
You got snacks in it?
Nah.
Yo, all that goldfish would be clutch right now.
I don't got no goldfish.
animal prepared.
Yo, that's craziness.
But that water probably brick.
Oh, it's probably cold as fuck out there. All day.
Let me down
Yeah,
this real
definitely
quick.
losing.
Ooh, Kionna, what's that?
What is that?
Oh, what do you want?
Is that an animal? Oh, that's a.
It's another wrap.
Oh, that's good.
That's fine. I'm about to down this real quick.
I got the other one right here.
First off, she don't know dolphins when you see them, and she can't.
That's what I'm saying.
Yo,
Let me know if you see a dolphin.
yo,
this
if I
whole
see a
time
dolphin, yo, I believe new, bro.
Go ahead.
She wouldn't be that
She
angry. Nigga, testing this shit out. That shit bright as fuck, ain't it?
I like it, bro.
Yeah, that's it.
They know we here.
That ain't bright as a bitch, yo. Out here, beach life.
She love that shit. Skylar's mom. Exactly.
You have no idea.
Look, if my edges don't look good on the camera, don't come.
Going through
You
that.
got good hair, sweetheart.
Look, I mean, come on, you got that baby shit, bro?
That
Meow.
baby. They curling though. They ain't doing nothing
That
else.
baby shit.
Light skin, lighty gang, y'all. All day, every day. You've got to learn about that real stuff.
That's right, yo. We're gonna have light skin day out. That is.
Excuse me.
They need to stop this shit.
Yo.
It's a problem in the world.
Yo, look, they have the problem. We don't, okay? We're gonna correct the
Their
problem.
insecurities on us, but
That's
hey, that's
right.
for another day.
That's it, though.
Tune in.
That's right. I'm telling you, we're gonna be acting the fool. I got about 10 lined up already, okay?
10 light skins?
Yeah.
Do they look good?
Yo,
They look alright.
see,
Yo, they look jobs, yo. They good. They good. I don't get no slouches, Joe. I don't do that, okay? Cause we gotta represent out here.
That's what I'm trying to.
you hear this shit?
That's what I'm saying. So this
You
nigga.
a part of it. You light skin.
What?
The lighty gang. Sean is making a
Brown,
podcast.
baby.
Hell yeah.
I'm brown, baby.
You think this nigga here light as hell, bro? Get the fuck out of here. Light skin crew. Yeah. When this shit close?
What?
What clothes?
Beach. Yeah, they be tripping on. They be tripping on whatever. I don't know. What's some spots out here? What?
I don't know.
I thought you come down here all the time, yo.
Yeah, this is on the beach.
Oh, y'all niggas don't be doing no real tripping, no real lit.
POC is closed and that shit is not even like that.
What time it open up?
I don't know.
It's closed
I
already.
don't think they open for the summer.
That's where
yet.
you like chill out
But
by
me
the
and Jen
boardwalk and
went.
have drinks and shit, right?
Yeah.
Real whack. Too whack.
You said you and your friend Jen.
Too whack. Too whack.
The drinks are good though. They do the job.
on. Look at him.
Spike. Feel me?
Get that shit.
Dots.
That's how we get down, man. That's
I
what we
didn't
looking
even
for.
know your shirt said that.
Take this COVID ass blunt.
Yo, don't do shit on my man.
Wow.
Yo, come on.
Not ready for that shit.
Everybody else fucking coughing and shit. Everybody trying to talk and cough at the same time.
It's COVID ass blunt. Yo, I ain't never heard that shit ever, yo. That's
Nigga,
funny
yo,
as
that shit
hell.
gonna get you 15 weeks off from work. Nigga, go ahead. Smoke it up. For real.
Yeah,
Yo,
that's
how
a
we gonna-
legit.
How are we gonna take this lead, guys? I'm helping y'all take care of some of your kids.
Hey, I need an OnlyFans, but I don't need to be doing all the extra shit. Just
So what you gonna be doing?
I don't know.
Why would they pay for you
What should
just
I
to
do?
chill?
What should I do?
You twerk?
Say something, and then when they tune in, they can just stick it
nothing.
Wait, I
Nothing.
need some
That's
fucking.
what I'm saying.
You can do other shit.
Do other shit like
That's
what,
just
yo?
easy.
Say you twerking, and then when they fucking
And
come
when
on
I
there,
could
you
get
just
the
be
first
like,
month. I could get all their money for the first month.
$20 or whatever the fuck we gonna
And then
do.
they gonna be like, unfollow that
Yeah.
bitch.
Information on there.
You could do all types of stuff.
Like what? What are you gonna do? to
That's
do it,
what I'm
Big
trying to
Boy?
figure out. I just need some easier money.
Yo, yeah, I'm with it. Yo, let me film. What the fuck you gonna do? I'm gonna just film it.
On where? Instagram? 991.
You got Twitter
Yeah, I'm at 994. I'm whack.
and Facebook.
This motherfucker don't want to post shit. She got 3 followers. She's out of control.
Trying to get her. She was in the car like.
I
There
like
you go. But you ain't gonna post it though.
people.
She's
Yeah,
not
'cause I
gonna
don't
post
like
it.
all
She's
of those
saving that
people.
shit in her
Yo.
camera.
For me, because
That's
I
what
like
do.
to look
I
at
do
me.
the same shit.
People aren't appreciative.
I do the same
You
shit.
feel me?
You feel me?
Yeah.
Yo, get the fucking gun. Come on,
I need
man.
a boat, yo. Oh,
You
they
need a
backing
boat.
up here.
No,
Can we get on? Can we get on?
They started here. They're going.
Yeah,
They
they
docking
backing up.
over there.
They docking.
Oh, yeah.
What's up? We might can get on that shit.
Yo, go drop that cash on them niggas, yo. We can get that bitch for the night.
Huh?
My nigga, oh,
we
the
don't
feds
know
listen?
where they're going.
Turn that light off. It's
Yo,
mad bright.
it's helping y'all with the lighting of the shit, bruh.
Hurry up.
Hold on, let me. I was
My
recording.
lips are stuck. Look up.
Bro, I'm trying to
Kionna.
just flash off. You gotta cut the flash. Never flash.
You don't look crazy.
Yo, light it like a fuck. That light is great on that shit. Yo, y'all gonna love this shit. Yeah, look at this shit. Nigga, that shit look great, man. This shit look great, baby.
Hold on, wait, let me see it. Let me get the one with them.
Alright, yeah, let's go how we do.
I'm not sitting. No. I'm not gonna sit.
Sit your ass down.
I squat.
Bree, sit
I'm
down.
not sitting my ass down because it's sand.
Bro,
You can wipe your ass off.
That's the lightest.
What do you want me to do?
Oh, I thought you was falling.
Do it look right like
I'm
this?
supposed to be looking at it.
Oh, yo, to him. Yeah.
he's just the.
Yeah, that's the light guy. Boom, in the
The
moonlight.
titties. What the fuck? Kionna, I don't. It's that fucking blunt.
And your COVID one,
Yeah.
that COVID shit. Some crawling. Briana, stop saying that.
Yo, what's happening? Is it something crawling?
She crawling.
That's horrible.
COVID shit.
God damn.
Y'all ready?
You just kept taking shit.
Yeah, he was just taking random ass shots. Yo, that light, y'all gonna love that shit, bro.
That's right.
Y'all gonna love that light.
This is a fucking. He got a video.
Mad videos.
So instead
It's
of
only videos.
And it's pictures. It's
Oh. Oh my God, I didn't see the stars.
Oh, look at that, yo, stars is out too.
Kionna, wait
shit.
till you see this.
Ain't that shit lit?
That shit crazy. Fuck no. I'm not
Yo, this look good to me. Yo. I don't know what y'all talking about, yo.
Oh, you're gonna love it.
Yo, you gonna love that shit. That light headed though.
Everybody love it.
Yo, he just. But see, look,